I think I went completely crazy because I just decided to move to a district called Tryoshina. Tryoshina is known to be one of the poorest districts of Kiev, Ukraine. Some people say it's the most dangerous. There is something very interesting about the place I'm living in right now. This is the most Soviet apartment I have been living in for my whole life. We are in the sleeping room right now. So you have a lovely bed, lovely Soviet bed, lovely Soviet chairs right there. You have this kind of... You see, it's not so bad. Like, it just looks very old, actually. Look at the curtains. Look at the curtains, Soviet curtains also everywhere. You have the lit of lovely, lovely balcony that you will find in all post-Soviet countries. Let me check it. The lovely that. You have this amazing Tryoshina view. Like, those buildings are typical of Tryoshina, actually. All the buildings right here look like that. You have, actually, look at that. This is like all the children playing in the playground right there. So, like, actually, the vibe is not so bad. Like, okay, the apartment is quite old. So look at the balcony again. Lovely balcony. Some carpet. There is this thing, I have no idea what is it about. I don't know what's that. Let's close the entrance to the balcony. Okay, so you have like 3 different locks actually for the door. So then of course you have like the old television that from the 70s. You have like the carpet that should have been, I think, before in the wall. Like on the wall, I mean, because this is like the #1 Soviet thing that all Soviet apartments should have. This is like, oh, look at that. So we have the door. And then we've got a little curtain. So I think this is to stop the light, because you see, like, in case there is someone in the kitchen, this is to stop the light. So one thing which is very, very funny. So we have got 2 doors, like in most post-Soviet countries, in Russia, Ukraine, Belarus. I will show you the corridor a little bit later, because this is also an experience. This is the first lock. And this is the second door. So there is one lock like that. There is a second lock, which I don't know if it's working. And there is a third lock. Then we have got the Soviet bathroom. This is very interesting. This is the first time I have seen this in my life. Okay, so as you can see, right now we are on the shower. And if I turn this little thing in the other way around now, I'm very curious about what happens if I don't turn it like at 100%. So you've got the both at once. Look at that. So you can clean your hand and take a shower at the same time. This is amazing. Oh, you have this little thing, you know, like with a lovely bird, I think, on it. So that's it for the bedroom and the bathroom. Now let's have a look on the kitchen. Okay, so this is where I work from. I am just sitting on this lovely Soviet chair, and I develop my mobile application from there. Again, my colleagues in Paris have no idea that I'm working from Tryoshina, I think. So we have got the old school cooker right there. So we need the matches to turn on the cooker. This work like that, and then you put it like this, and you've got all the things to go. Put it back like that. Alright, so I mean, I think you have seen everything, like the vibe of this apartment. There is the toilets right there, which are very, very small. Okay, let's go inside. It's like, you know, you have to turn it in the other way around, and I was in the toilet, and I was trying to turn like that, but it was not working. So I thought I was actually locked inside the toilets this morning. So that's all for the toilets. I don't know what's inside this. Let's close it. Let's say it's some Soviet thing inside. I don't know. Oh, look at the fridge. Hardcore Soviet fridge, because as you can see, like, I'm really trying to open it. I have to push it like that too. Oh, it's not working anymore? Oh, it's working. Good. I have to push it very, very strongly to open it. I think we have seen it all. Let's go outside. Oh, okay. Just, this is something that you have maybe never seen. This apartment cost, I mean, I found it from Airbnb, but I paid 100 euros for a week. So it's like 5,000 hryvnias. I think you can book an apartment like this for long term for 100, 200 euros. So this building I'm right now living in, the landlord told me that they built it 30 years ago. So the building I'm staying in right now is only 30 years old. We're going to go outside a little bit and I will show you everything. Tomorrow morning, I will show you like the vicinity because right now it's getting dark and the GoPro will not catch the light basically. Alright, so follow me on an adventure inside the fucking corridor. Sorry. Wow. I could film an hour story in this building. Check it out. Okay, so look at that. The walls. Okay, so the GoPro actually doesn't like catch the light very good, so it looks way more scarier, I think, on camera than it is on real life. It's like out of the building. This is crazy though. Okay, let's take the Tryoshana elevator. Do you hear it? It's coming. Wow. It's a whole experience. But let's go on the last floor. I don't know actually who to call if this lift like stopped working for I don't know. I mean, I guess I would just die there. Last floor, baby. Wow. Oh fuck, it smells so bad. Okay. Oh, it's like the rich people are living inside this. Yeah. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? Bro. This is sketchy. This looks very sketchy. And they're doing the same here, maybe? I don't know. Wow. Oh, look at this. The balcony is open. Tryoshana balcony. This is the ultimate Tryoshana atmosphere. I don't know what should be. Oh, it's like you can go to another balcony right there. Look at the view. The vibe is like... This is something actually to experience in your life, man. But I don't trust this balcony, so I'm gonna go back and explore the 7th floor of the building. And you could it. So I think this is the problem in this building, like people are just basically going outside in the corridors or in the balcony to smoke. Like they don't smoke inside inside their apartment. Basically means bitch in Russian. This is so sketchy, man. Okay, next floor. Nothing interesting. Like in my building, so you can check it out, the building, how it looks like. This is this one. Yeah. Okay, so one thing I want to show you is like it's weird too. It's right there on the first floor. There's like this door on the wall with like holes inside the wall. Okay, let's go inside. Good morning. It's my second day in Tryoshana and maybe you can hear it, but my throat is very sore right now, so I need to go to the pharmacy and buy some medicine really fast. Then I'm going to work. Yeah, I woke up, it's almost 10 a.m. I feel tired as fuck, bro. But we have work to do. And I also want to finally go outside and discover with you the beautiful district of Tryoshana. Okay, so this morning, We are going to have some French toast made by me. I mean, I don't know if we can call them French toast. They are basically just white bread. I put them into the white eggs, you know. And I added a lot of cacao powder. And I'm going to add some yogurt. It's not bad.